People use different CAD software for their designing purpose, and normally for CAM, it's a different software. So they don't gel with each other. They are not integrated with each other. The second challenge is that people use for milling application a separate software. For a turning, they use separate. And maybe for a turn mill or a Swiss type of wire cut machine, they use separate software. The third challenge is related to the post-processors. When I say post-processor, it's the machine language. You can make programs on the computer, but will it actually run on the machine? Who will verify it? I'm Anuj Bhandari, Country Manager for SolidCAM and handling India and Middle East. To address these challenges, we have SolidCAM, which is an gold partner with SolidWorks. So we are integrated inside SolidWorks. So CAD-CAM work together. So one software for design for machine. The second thing is the machines what we can cover. We can cover any kind of machine. Could be a milling machine, turning, turn mill, mill turn, VTL, HMCs, Swiss type machine. So one software for all your applications.
What we have done inside SolidCAM latest version, we have integrated the complete Simco suite of products where we can verify the G-codes. Once we generate the G-codes, G-code will be generated and it will open inside Simco Edit Professional latest version. There we can do the backplotting of the G-codes, and we can also verify the G and M codes using the Simco Edit machine simulation, which will give the complete clarity so that it will be 100% foolproof for the programmers to verify the G-code so that he can run the programs without any hassles on the machine.